Welcome to an extensive tutorial that unravels the enchanting realm of everyday beauty, the everyday drugstore makeup look. This immersive journey is your gateway to mastering the art of achieving a refined and naturally radiant appearance using budget-friendly and readily available products. Whether you're a bustling professional, a student navigating a busy schedule, or simply someone who embraces the allure of simplicity, this video guide serves as your compass to crafting a makeup routine that effortlessly enhances your features while keeping costs in check. The Everyday Drugstore Makeup Look tutorial is an ode to attainable elegance. It's a tribute to the idea that you don't need to empty your pockets to achieve a captivating makeup look. Within this guide, we unearth a trove of techniques and insights that showcase the magic of quality products without the hefty price tag. At the heart of this tutorial lies the art of selecting the right drugstore products to curate your everyday aesthetic. We embark on a journey through an array of affordable options, from foundations to lip shades, acquainting you with choices that cater to diverse skin tones and preferences. The essence here is to demonstrate that achieving a captivating appearance is about uncovering those hidden gems that offer both excellence and affordability. Techniques are the cornerstones of crafting the everyday drugstore makeup look, a look that is practical yet aesthetically pleasing. Step by step, we unveil the roadmap to achieving a fresh and natural complexion, refining your features while preserving an understated grace. From mastering the finesse of natural-looking brows to handpicking eyeshadow shades that highlight your eyes, every detail is meticulously tailored to yield a seamless and sophisticated outcome. But this tutorial transcends mere application, it ventures into the realm of time constraints and the rhythm of daily life. We explore techniques that are not just effective but also easily adaptable to your routine. Whether it's a swift application of mascara or a subtle sweep of blush, each step is designed to integrate seamlessly into your day, empowering you to achieve a polished look without sacrificing precious time. Ultimately, the Everyday Drugstore Makeup Look tutorial equips you with the tools and knowledge to embrace beauty without boundaries. It's a tribute to the notion that makeup is an art accessible to all, reminding us that confidence and allure need not be attached to a hefty price tag. Armed with a selection of affordable treasures and a wealth of techniques, let's embark on this journey of effortless elegance. By the tutorial's culmination, you'll not only have mastered the nuances of the everyday drugstore makeup look but also fostered a deep appreciation for the allure that simplicity brings to beauty. With heartfelt gratitude for embarking on this exploration of accessible allure, let's seamlessly transition into the art of crafting an everyday drugstore makeup look, a realm where practicality dances harmoniously with artistry, yielding a look that's both approachable and captivating.